Hi, I'm Mohammed and you're watching the 12th episode of the academic IELTS Writing Series. Today we're going to take a look at the overall structure of Task 2 essays. To respond to Task 2, we use a 4-paragraph structure. Step 1 before we start writing is finding keywords in the topic, and then we need to make sure that the entire essay is connected to these keywords. Now we need to find out what a good introduction paragraph looks like. A good introduction paragraph is usually made up of 4 sentences. The first one is background statement, which gives some general information about the topic. The second one is detailed background, which narrows the topic down and tells the reader what the essay is exactly about. The third one is thesis statement, which normally contains an opinion or two. This opinion may or may not belong to the writer. Last but not least, we have the outline statement. This one gives information about the topic of the following paragraphs. In the next lesson, we'll learn to write introduction paragraphs. Until then, keep learning and keep practicing. Hey, it's me again. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Ask me your questions in the comments below. You can also contact me at mohammedgulpaigani@gmail.com for online lessons.